Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. Want to share code, collaborate with developers, or contribute to open source projects? GitHub is the best platform for version control and project management. Now in this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub account, step by step. The first step is go to the GitHub website. And to do that, just open your browser and then go to github.com. Just like in this page, and then click on sign up for GitHub. After that, type your email, username and password, and then click continue and verify your email, just like a normal account in any platform. The third step is to choose a preference. Select your developer experience level. You can choose beginner, intermediate or advanced, and choose if you want to get GitHub for personal projects or work. And after that, click complete setup. As for the fourth step, confirm your email by checking your inbox for a GitHub verification email, and then click the confirmation link to activate your account. As for the final step, set up your GitHub profile, and to do that, just click on your profile icon and select settings and add a profile picture, bio and social links to personalize your account. And that's how you create a GitHub account. Sign up, verify your email and set up your profile. And now you're ready to start coding and collaboration on GitHub. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.